Kung ikaw ay isang business owner at meron ka ng Certificate of Registration, hindi ibig sabihin na tapos ka na sa obligasyon mo sa BIR. Hindi po dyan nagtatapos ang obligasyon mo bilang isang business owner at bilang isang taxpayer. Hello guys! My name is Julia and welcome po in my YouTube channel. Kung bago po kayo sa channel ko, please consider to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. So anong gagawin natin after registration with the Bureau of Internal Revenue and you have now your own COR? Pero before that, i-discuss muna natin si COR para maintindihan natin. So ano po ba itong COR? Para saan po ba ito? COR or Certificate of Registration or BIR Form 2303, ito po yung pinaka-birth certificate ng business. Ang business, pag niregister mo yan, meron at meron siyang certification. Depende lang sa agency kung saan mo siya i-register. COR serves as the legal basis under which a business can operate and pay taxes in the Philippines. It contains an enumeration of the types of taxes that are required to be filed and paid to the government. Whether you are intending to operate as a sole proprietorship, self-employed, partnership, freelancer, consultant, or corporation in the Philippines, the business should obtain a COR.
So guys, this is how COR looks like. Ito yung BIR Certificate of Registration po natin. So isa-isahin po natin ang contents nitong COR. So let's start with the TIN or Tax Identification Number. Ito po ay kailangan sa lahat ng tax filing submitted or processed by any business. So a TIN is issued by the BIR once the application for registration has been approved. Usually, kung ano yung personal TIN mo, ito po yung mag-a-appear sa COR nyo. One TIN per person or personal identity at bawal ang multiple TIN. Registration name. So, this confirms the precise name of the registered business. So, if the business is a sole proprietorship or a freelancer or consultant, this would be the full personal name of the individual registering the business. So, ito yung taxpayer's name. Registration date. Ito naman yung exact date on which the business was registered. So, the date of registration is important because this is the date on which the business first became subject to tax in the Philippines. So, ito yung pinaka-birth date ng business natin. So, ito po yung signal na pwede na po tayong mag-issue ng resibo para sa business transactions. Business address or ito yung pinaka-registered address natin. So, lahat ng business dapat official ang address. So, this is the address where your business is located and all official BIR correspondence will be issued to this date. So, if a business intends to change its address, it is very important na yung address is notified to and registered with the BIR through a formal process. Tax type. So, the COR outlines all the relevant taxes that a business is required to pay. So, ito po yung mga types ng tax na every business must comply. So, usually, sa example natin dito sa COR, ang nakalagay is yung income tax, registration fee, percentage tax. Maya-maya, i-discuss natin yung mga tax type na kailangang i-comply ng every business. So, next is the line of business. So, This section outlines the activities in which the business is engaged. So, kung mapapansin nyo, may code, ito yung 9309. This will be assigned by the BIR depending on the activities or category of business na ire-register ng taxpayer. After na makuha nyo yung COR nyo, make sure nyo na kung business activity nyo corresponds doon sa nakasulat sa COR nyo. Company name, or ito yung tinatawag na trade name. Yung trade name, this will be the same as the registered name. And this will be differ if the business wishes to trade under a separate name. So, kanina, di ba, may taxpayer's name tayo. Ngayon naman, may company name. So, let's say, for example, yung pangalan ng taxpayer na nag-a-apply ng COR is Juan de la Cruz. Ngayon, gusto niyang pangalanan yung business niya ng ABC Enterprises. So, yung magiging taxpayer's name is the Juan de la Cruz. Yung magiging company name will be the ABC Enterprises. So, usually, ito po yung mga pinaka-main contents ng ng COR. So, at the bottom also, may mga reminders doon. Nandun yung mga obligations na kailangang i-comply. So, yung mga due dates para maiwasan natin yung penalty. The following are the common tax returns a business must comply. So, isa-isahin po natin sila. BIR Form 0605. Ito yung tinatawag na registration fee. Fina-file po ito annually and the deadline of filing will be on or before January 31. 1701, this will be filed annually. Ito yung tinatawag na annual income tax. And the deadline will be on or before April 15 of the following year. For example, ngayong 2021, so pag magpa-file po tayo ng annual income tax, the deadline will be on or before April 15, 2022. 1701Q, ito yung quarterly income tax. First quarter, the deadline will be on or before May 15. Second quarter, the deadline of filing will be on or before August 15. Third quarter, the deadline will be on or before November 15. So, example ulit, ngayong second quarter, ending in June 2021, the deadline of filing for the income tax will be on or before August 15. 2551Q, ito yung tinatawag na percentage tax and this is filed quarterly. First quarter, the deadline of filing will be on or before April 25. Second quarter, the deadline of filing will be on or before July 25. Third quarter, the deadline of filing will be on or before October 25. And fourth quarter, the deadline of filing will be on or before January 25th of the following year. $2,550M, or ito yung tinatawag na monthly VAT, value-added tax, and the deadline for this is every 28th of the following month. Example ulit for the month of July 2021, kung magfa-file po tayo ng monthly VAT, the deadline will be on or before August 20, 2021. Kung may monthly VAT, meron din siyang quarterly VAT, and the deadline for this is every 25th of the following taxable quarter. 1619E, fina-file po ito monthly at ito yung tinatawag na expanded withholding tax. And the due date for this is every 10th of the following month. Example, for the month of July 2021 ulit, kung magfa-file po tayo nito, the deadline will be on or before August 10, 2021. 1601EQ, ito yung quarterly expanded withholding tax. The deadline for this is every 25th of the following month of the quarter. Example ulit, for the quarter ending in June 2021, pag magpa-file po tayo ng 1601EQ, ang magiging due date niya will be on or before July 25, 2021. 1601C, this will be filed monthly at ito yung tinatawag na withholding tax compensation. Fina-file ito on or before every 10th of the following month. Example ulit, for the month of July 2021, the deadline will be on or before August 10, 2021. So, yun po yung mga usual na tax type na naka-indicate sa COR natin. So, hindi po ibig sabihin na lahat yun ay kailangang nandun sa COR. Depende po sa nature ng business. So, once na may COR ang isang business, automatically, it's your obligation to comply by filing and paying taxes on or before the due dates. Kahit wala ka pong babayaran, you need to file to avoid penalties. And reminder also, make sure to keep your COR and BIR sign and display them publicly so that anytime na mag-tax map po si BIR, kailangan naka-display yung COR nyo. Kasi yun yung number 1 na hinahanap nila during tax mapping. That ends my presentation. Thank you po for listening. Thank you din po for watching.